project because we found out how much people were bullying on the internet, and then we decided to think of a game that could stop cyberbullying. This iPad here is connected to that M-bot there, and I can make a move this way, and then it's there, and then the other person could go, or you could have a go, and then you're on that place. These orange ones are giving you advice, and so are the yellow ones. If the people who were doing cyberbullying and they got this game, they would stop and think what they're doing.
When I heard that the junior entrepreneur was coming up, we thought as 5th and 6th class in Loreto National School that a tick kit would be a great idea, and it's just sold so many, and that's basically the background, because I guess ticks are getting more popular and we need to know how to remove them correctly.
In the product we have a tick twister which removes the ticks instead of a tweezer. We have gloves, antiseptic wipes and plasters.
There was so much interest that we couldn't even handle, so we have 10 premises in Killarney who are selling it. We also have Tropical Medical Bureau, which is based here in Dublin, and we have TikTok Ireland that is also selling it, and just contact our school and you can buy a ticket, and they're €8 each.
It's really exciting. There's so many products to look at and so many ideas. It's really cool.
We have 3,500 children from all over the island of Ireland who've created their own classroom businesses. They've invested their money, they've worked with local entrepreneurs, and they've reaped profit at the end of it, and they're here to celebrate that success. It's just great to have so many young people here who've turned this into a success. All that myself and my co-founders do, and all that the teachers do, is to empower these young children, 11 and 12 years of age, to turn ideas into reality. And if they can do that at scale, as they've shown here, then we can be really upbeat about the future of our country.